Oh my goodness, have you ever had those days where you look in the mirror and think, oh, why won't this dress just lay smooth? Oh my goodness. My clothes fit, but they don't look put together. And honestly, that can mess with my confidence. But then I thought about that I was sent these SHAPERX Hourglass Leggings. Now, I'm gonna tell you the truth. Now, when I first pulled these out, my first thought was, hold up, hold up. These look way too small for me. But I decided to give them a try anyway. And let me just say, wow. The minute I slipped them on, I could feel the difference. That premium stretchy fabric hugged my curves without suffocating me. And suddenly, my tummy and my waist looked more sculpted. Check me out. It was like everything smoothed out instantly, but in the most natural way. And then I realized this open gusset design, yes, total game changer. No more stressing every time I need to run to the bathroom. Plus, the bust area isn't flattened, so it still looks natural. And the adjustable straps let me tweak the fit just how I like it. What surprised me most is how comfortable they are. Lightweight, breathable, and absolutely invisible under clothes. No rolling down, no weird lines, just a smooth silhouette that made me feel put together all day long. Whether I'm running errands, heading to the office, or dressing up for something special, these leggings just work. And the best part, I don't just look different, I feel different. That little boost of confidence when I step out the door, that's everything. Now y'all know the place to find these is Amazon, and I'm an Amazon affiliate, so you know I got the link below for you, honey. But check them out. You will be glad you did. And listen, you can thank me later. Toodles.
See you, sister, standing in the rain, trying to wash away the hurt, trying to hide the pain. You forgot the fire that burns in your soul. You forgot the story that God already wrote. You've been giving pieces of yourself away to people who never planned to stay. But you're more than the touch, more than the night. You're a queen in the morning light.